Okay, Maggie. We'll be back in 3 hours.
Or longer if something happens to us.
Maybe we shouldn't do this. She doesn't know anyone here.
Look, sweetie, there's a familiar face. Krusty!
Hey, kids! Your old pal Krusty's gonna teach you 5 new words. Unlicensed use of my image. All right, boys. See those Krusties nobody paid me for? Sandblast them! Entertain the troops? No way! What have they ever done for me?
Krusty, you made my daughter cry.
Hey, my intellectual property rights were being infringed. Do you know how that feels? Do you? Do you?
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's no use.